Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is: on Amazon you will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Specs: weighs 8.5 pounds with a 13-inch diameter base. Ease of use: fingertip elevation adjustment. Convenient. Built-in carrying handle. Includes filled medium varmint front bag included with rest. Versatility: Friend Cradle is designed to accept all Caldwell Deluxe Universal Front Rest bags. Guaranteed: this product is covered by a limited lifetime warranty provided by Caldwell. Please contact Caldwell customer service for assistance. The number 3 on the list is: choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Dimensions: 6 inches - 9, height, and weighs 8 ounces. Accuracy: notches are located on the legs for quick and easy indexing. It can be tightened down with the leg locking knobs and features a quick release cam lever lock for added stability. Ease of use: legs fold up for easy transport and the bipod mounts quickly on the Picatinny rail mount of the Friend 1.5 inches long pick rail. Convenient. Lightweight. Quick deployment aluminum legs and slim profile for movement heavy or prone shooting. Secure. Soft rubber feet for enhanced stability and a non-marring padded base for Friend protection. Included components: 6 to 9 inch fixed XLA bipod. The number 2 on the list is: many positives reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Dimensions: 13 inches - 30 inches height and weighs 12 ounces. Accuracy: 360-degree swivel rotation and 10-degree cant for maximum target acquisition. Ease of use: Picatinny rail attachment and a 180-degree leg angle adjustment with stainless steel push button. Leg locks for easy and secure lock-up. Convenient. Lightweight. Quick deployment carbon fiber legs with vertical twist lock technology. Secure. Sturdy feet for enhanced stability. The number 1 on the list is: this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. This smaller bipod is convenient for a more grounded shot. Closed position width 3.250 inch. Closed position length 7.5 inch.